Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my life wire, and today we're streaming sorry, not streaming, recording another Command & Conquer video. And I just realized there is a season 2 now. So season 1 is finished and I finished on top 200. I'm ranked 193. Not bad, not bad. I didn't play as much in the end. And when we jump to season 2, as you can see here, it doesn't show my rank anymore because I need to play at least one game, I believe. I don't know, probably one game. Yeah, they won't ask me to play 5 more games. That'll be too much. Alright, let's play this thing. But these stats though are carried from the season 1, I think, because it's impossible for someone to play so many games in such a short time, isn't it? Right? I'm trying to find the same guy. Ah, it's here. Oh wait, what? 197. 135. So he actually played this much after this new season started. When did the new season start anyway? I don't even know. Alright, enough talking. Let's just jump into the game. It's been a while. Probably gonna suck, probably gonna lose a lot of games, but it's okay. We're gonna just have fun here. Well, actually the MMR is actually really low, so I will be on I will be in top 200 because look at this. Anyone who played this game will be on the leaderboard. So yeah. The original version is really not as popular as Red Alert, unfortunately, but I do prefer this version over Red Alert. Feels bad, man. This means like there are probably just a few hundred people, players playing this game. Let's stay in the queue. Let's see what we can get. Maybe another top 10 player. It doesn't matter, I can just lose and get ranked. It's okay. Not many people playing this game. Oh, we got a queue. Let's go.
Yes, sir. New construction options.
Fun.
Building.
He is.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building.
GDI versus Nod.
Construction
Classic.
Complete. New construction options.
Seems like this
Building.
is
Yes, sir. Unit ready. Away, sir. Moving out. Building. Reporting. Affirmative. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete. Unit ready.
Okay. Scouts.
New construction
You go
options.
left. You go.
Building.
There's no
Unit
right.
ready. Building.
Down.
Unit ready. Construction complete.
Make sure it doesn't get easy scouts. Are these new maps?
Building.
I think. Right? That would make
Unit
sense if
ready.
we get some new
Building.
maps for the
Unit
new season,
ready.
right? Because I
Building.
don't think I've seen this map
Unit
before.
ready. Construction complete. Building. Unit ready. Building.
Pretty nervous.
Construction
Not gonna lie.
complete. Unit
Oh,
ready.
he has
Building.
it right here. I didn't see it.
Building.
This guy.
Unit ready.
I don't know where to go.
Building. Unit ready.
Cool.
Ready and waiting. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Right away. Moving out.
Unit lost.
Ready and waiting. Yes,
Who died? Show me who died.
reporting. Affirmative.
Oh,
Yes.
what?
Reporting. Yes, sir. Moving out.
Flamethrower.
Affirmative. Out. Yes, moving out.
No problem. Easy
Building.
peasy.
Yes, sir.
Unit
Go
ready.
scouts.
Yes, sir. Moving out.
Building.
Waiting. Got it.
Unit ready.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Right away. Out.
Died to
Unit
Tiberium.
lost.
Affirmative.
Building.
Of course.
Unit
I still
ready.
don't know where he is.
Construction
Reporting.
complete.
Affirmative. Roger.
He's not here. He's right here.
New construction options.
Okay.
Building. On hold.
Yes, Roger.
Cancelled.
You got it.
Building.
Roger.
Unit
Moving out.
ready.
Reporting,
Building.
Roger. Waiting order. Reporting.
Unit
Got it.
ready.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. Moving out.
Construction
Right away. Got it.
complete. Unit ready.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Reporting.
I need scouts.
Building.
Oh yeah, they removed APS-C from the
Yes, right away, sir. Moving out. Got it.
Unit
basic
ready.
units. Like you have to get repair facility to get an APS-C. I read that
Building.
on Reddit.
On hold.
This is to prevent
Cancel.
engineer
Building.
Moving out.
Unit
Waiting order.
ready.
Got it.
Construction
Nice.
complete.
It's nice, but
Building.
APS-C is very important
Unit
actually.
ready.
So I guess I do have to
Building.
get that
Unit
because
lost.
I want something effective against infantry. So I want to run over them just in
Yes,
case they
Roger.
come
Moving out.
in
Reporting.
a huge group.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Alright,
moving
now
out.
we got a scout
Yes, moving
units
out.
here.
Reporting. Affirmative. Yes,
Our base is under attack.
waiting order.
Unit
Moving
ready.
out.
Get him.
Building.
Need to
Unit
mass
ready.
production
Building.
of tanks.
Construction
Got it.
complete.
Just come back.
Roger.
Unit ready.
Unit
New
I feel like the
construction
acknowledged.
pace
Moving
is
out.
much slower than before.
Reporting.
Or maybe it's just us
Building.
Unit
not
moving out.
playing correctly.
Unit
Acknowledged.
ready.
Yes,
Unit lost.
waiting order.
Building. Unit
Affirmative.
ready.
Moving out. Waiting
Building.
order. Affirmative. Reporting.
Unit
Affirmative.
ready.
Yes, sir.
Building.
Oh shit.
Moving out.
Oh shit.
Unit ready.
Yeah,
Unit
that's
Yes,
lost.
sir. Waiting
Building.
order. Affirmative. Moving out.
Unit ready. Building.
Should we go? I feel like he doesn't have anything.
Unit ready.
But that could be very wrong.
Yes,
Building.
sir. Got it. Right away,
I
sir.
don't have a
Unit
good vision
ready.
here. I don't know what he's doing,
Building.
which is bad.
Unit
Which
ready.
is bad.
Building.
But so far I don't see as many.
Unit ready.
Reporting.
Let's see if we can
Building.
get some important
Unit
information
ready.
here. No, denied.
Unit lost.
This bad man.
Unit ready.
Confused, bad.
Building.
Let's get some static defense. Oh, this guy is
Waiting. Moving out.
looking around.
Insufficient
Right away, sir. Affirmative.
funds.
Okay,
Got it.
that's fine.
Yes, sir. Moving out. Acknowledged.
Defend this.
Yes,
Construction
moving out.
complete.
Right away, sir.
Our base is under attack. Unit
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, that's so many.
building.
Oh my god, I did not expect this.
Unit lost.
Reporting. Reporting.
Unit lost.
Waiting out.
I did not expect this.
Building.
Reporting.
Unit lost. Unit ready. Our base is under attack.
Attack, guys. What are you doing?
Building. Unit lost. Unit ready. Unit lost.
We got this.
Unit
We're
lost.
strong. GDI units are much stronger.
Unit
Got it.
ready.
Affirmative.
Building.
Affirmative.
Unit
Yes,
lost.
sir. No. Ready. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Unit lost.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Unit lost.
Vehicle reporting.
Unit
Yes,
ready.
affirmative. Yes,
Building.
Oh shoot. Are we losing this?
Lost.
We have infantry.
Lost.
moving out.
Building.
Affirmative. Yes, yes,
Unit
sir.
ready. Insufficient funds.
Oh shoot.
Unit
We're actually losing this?
affirmative.
Unit ready.
That'll be a few bad.
Building.
Affirmative.
Unit lost. Unit
Yes, sir.
ready.
Moving out.
Building.
Reporting. Yes, sir.
Unit
Moving out.
lost.
Yes, sir.
Unit ready.
He has so many tanks.
Not a problem.
That's insane.
Affirmative.
Oh, oof.
Unit ready.
Ah, yeah.
Building.
Got it.
Oh, we won the first fight, but
Unit
Yeah.
ready.
that's sad.
Building.
Affirmative.
Unit lost.
We didn't have the
Unit
defender's
ready.
advantage,
Our
so
base
lost
is
this.
under attack.
GG.
Unit ready.
GG. Nice. Well played. Let me check the replay. I'm curious. Replay! Here. Replay! Hello? Was it this map? Yeah, it was this one. Let's check the replay. Learn from our mistakes. That's how you improve. Keep calm. Don't be salty. Don't scream. Come on, game, launch. Takes forever. Hello? Game? What the heck? Game is broken. Let me search again. I want to see how he got that production. Maybe I didn't even see it. I didn't even see his production. Like usually you can see the not their airdrop, but now they changed the mechanics of the airstrip, how it works. Like it doesn't go all the way from the right side of the map to the left side of the map anymore. You just choose the optimal pathing to get a very consistent delivering time, construction time for not tanks. So maybe sometimes they will go this way, the airplane will go this way, maybe this way, so I don't actually see the drop, so I cannot estimate how many vehicle he's building. Oh well, it's not loading. It's not loading. Hello? It's broken. Hello? What the heck? Okay. It even allows you to observe other people's games, like live, in progress? How is that possible? You can just get in there and watch other people play? What if you have really bad internet and just lag everybody out? That sounds really dumb. Well, let's see what is it? What is this all about? Stream starts in 20 seconds. What? Does it mean I have a delay? Maybe this is to protect the players. Where are the resources? This is just naked map. I have so many questions. I have so many questions. Two, 1, let's go. Haha. Okay. Oh, and it's in slow motion. The speed is like slow speed, slow or normal speed, I don't know. But is this live? Can I type? I can't type. And there's no way to communicate with these guys. So they don't know if somebody's watching you. You could be playing a game and somebody's observing and you don't even know. That's so funny. The blue is so dead. He has a few infantries. That's it. You can't cross the bridge. Nothing you can do. Just look at this. Advanced defense tower. There's no way you can take that down. That's GG. Let's get out of here.
Battle control terminated.
Alright, let's see if we are ranked. Not yet? Why? Do I have to play at least 3 games? Is that how it works? Oh well. Let's play again. Maybe there's a delay. It's not updated yet. Let's play another game. Another game. Another game.
Yes, sir. No, we now.
New construction options.
See the opponents.
Building.
Don't know who it is.
Construction complete.
Good luck, have fun
Building.
anyway.
New construction options. Construction complete. New construction options.
Reporting. Affirmative.
Building.
Affirmative.
Unit
Moving out.
ready.
Ready and waiting.
Unit ready.
Right away, sir.
Building.
Yes, affirmative. Moving out.
Unit ready. Construction complete. Building. Unit ready. New construction options.
What is this map?
Building.
It
Ready and
looks
waiting.
like
Ready.
one of the old maps that I
Unit
really hated,
ready.
where you have all the resources in the
Building.
center.
Unit ready.
but it's not quite
Construction
uh,
complete.
similar. It's
Building.
weird. Oh, what? How did he get in here?
Unit ready.
Hello?
Right away, sir.
Building.
You're not supposed to be in here.
Unit
Right away, sir.
ready.
Ready and wait. Reporting. Moving out. Right away, sir. Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Construction complete.
Affirmative.
This is such a weird map. Oh, I have resource on the left as well. Okay. What? How did he get here? Oh, okay.
Affirmative. Yes.
What?
Acknowledged. Affirmative.
Oh my god.
Affirmative. You got it.
So there's more space on top. I didn't realize that.
Building.
I'm dumb.
Reporting.
I'm so dumb.
Unit ready.
Affirmative. Yes,
Building.
right away. Moving out.
Okay.
Unit ready.
This guy can just stay here.
Building.
Reporting. Right away, sir.
Unit
He's
ready.
probably not there.
Reporting. Moving out. Reporting. Got it. Roger. Yes, right away, sir.
What happened?
Reporting. Moving out.
Building.
Yes, ready
Unit
and wait.
ready.
Probably it's my opponent
Building.
dying.
Reporting.
Somewhere.
Unit
Moving
ready.
out. Wait, sir.
I want to play some
Building.
Counter-Strike later.
Unit
sir.
ready.
Affirmative. Moving out.
Building.
Reporting.
Unit
Hello.
ready.
Yes, sir. Reporting.
Our base
Trying
is
to
under
scout.
attack.
Waiting order. Moving out. Affirmative.
Construction
Right away, sir.
complete. Cannot deploy here.
Oh, what? Dude,
Cannot
deploy.
deploy here.
Ready and
Are you
wait.
kidding me?
Got it.
New construction options. Low
Waiting
power.
reporting. Acknowledged. Yes,
Building.
Roger. Got it. Roger. Got it. Affirmative. You got it. Reporting. Yes, sir. Ready and wait, sir.
Come on,
Construction
come on, kill them.
complete.
Yes.
Our base is
Reporting
under
out.
attack.
Acknowledged. Affirmative.
But
Got
you
it.
know, from top.
Building.
Okay.
Building.
This.
Acknowledged.
Unit ready.
Reporting.
Building.
Acknowledged.
Unit ready.
Yes.
Building. Construction
Oh,
complete.
no way.
Unit ready.
I have to sell this.
Moving out.
Our base is under
Ah,
attack.
shit. Ah, that's just great.
Building.
Reporting.
That's just
Unit
great.
ready.
Roger.
Building.
Got it.
Unit ready. Building.
And he has air.
Unit ready.
Dang it!
Building.
Roger. Moving out.
Not like this.
Unit ready.
Moving out.
Oh
Affirmative.
man.
Right away, sir. Yes, right away.
I think we
Unit
just lost.
ready.
Very
Building.
stupid.
Acknowledged. Yes, sir. Reporting.
Unit ready.
Yes, sir.
Building.
Waiting out. You got it. Affirmative.
Unit
Roger.
ready.
Maybe there's a meta shift.
Building. Unit
I
ready.
don't understand.
Building. Building.
I don't even know where he is.
Unit ready.
There he is.
Building.
Got it.
Oh, we're
Unit
way
ready.
too behind this game. GG.
Building. Unit
Wow.
ready.
New season is tough. I still don't get ranked. But yeah, these guys are really the top guys. Because what are the chances to get one of those guys, right? It's pretty much impossible to get them on ladder. So if you're playing ladder, pretty much you're just playing versus the top guys. The ones who ladder hard, who just play better than you. So you just keep losing. Where's my rank? I want to see my rank. Do you start with a fresh MMR, or do you start on base of the first season MMR? If it's a fresh MMR, probably I won't be on the leaderboard. Maybe I'll start from 700 something. Then there's no way I can be on the leaderboard. Yeah, could be. But anyway, that's it for me today. Thank you for watching.